tell y'all something right now. The reason Justin Reno is not out here right now, he's preparing for a win when he wins the light heavyweight championship tonight. Now I want y'all to shut the hell up while this man speaks.
Jump. I want to say, first of all, in 22 years that I've wrestled, only once has this event occurred, and that is where I've wrestled in front of a crowd that's been respectful. That was almost 17,000 people in Omaha, Nebraska. But as I can see, Wisconsin and Minnesota fans are still the same disrespectful simpletons that they always have been. Now shut up while I got some important business to talk about. First order of business. Good personal friend of ours, Justin Leahy, the EPW World Heavyweight Champion. Well, he's out with a severe shoulder injury. But instead of this organization letting him hold on to the title and rehabilitate his shoulder, they've decided in their infinite wisdom of stupidity to strip him of the championship. Which leaves on the 31st of this month in LaValle, Wisconsin, a battle royal for the new heavyweight championship. Well, me being the opportunist that I am, I'm going to put my name in the hat, as well as this big man right here. It's like a business, and you only know who your closest allies are. So we've decided that I'm going to talk real slow so you can understand this. A new contingency has arrived on the scene, and it is going to be called the Contract Killers. Now, let me explain to your simple little minds what this means. Break it down. Contracts simply means that the people that are going to be involved in this are of the top quality athletes around. We ain't got no glad-handers in this group. The best of the very best. Well, you're looking right now at the founder and CEO. And we're going to throw some contracts out to some certain individuals. First one being Mr. the famous Justin Reno. This man is a blue chip athlete. Now, let me direct you here to this human being standing next to me. You see, every faction has to have some muscle to go with it. And all you gotta do is look at this human juggernaut standing next to me and ask yourself, who's gonna stop him? That's right, nobody. And being that athletes of our quality have a lot of cheap shots thrown at us, we decided to go out and get some more muscle. And that's where this gentleman comes into play. Mr. Heck Ross is head of our security. Because we all know that you idiots can't keep your hands to stupid, this man will start breaking limbs. Alright? Now, I'm going to mention somebody who's a close personal friend of mine. And I paid a lot of money to bring him in. You see, I hate to say it, because I do respect the legends in this sport. But Mr. Pantalaka has decided not to show up. Of travel on the road have dulled your senses a little bit, but I'm sure you're a good mathematician.
He's just a road warrior wannabe.
There's one, and there's three. So what do you think your odds are? Oh, my pleasure. I'm itching to hear what you got to say.
Here, why don't you guys just back up just a little bit? Back up just a little bit more and I'll get in this ring.
He's just a road warrior wannabe. Kick his ass! Kick his ass!
You know, that's exactly what I'm going to do, and I need your help. First of all, you're just a couple of idiots. I've been all around the world, I've wrestled the best.
You lost every time.
Hey, why don't you come in here? You stand over with these guys. Come on in here. Come on in here. Stand right over there with those guys.
Come on, Garso.
Okay.
Right there.
You guys are a bunch of idiots.
Right there.
All four of you.
And you're the
Now, it's
biggest.
a little ridiculous to come out here. Ted DiBiase, you think he's terrible? You think Perry Saturn is? You're disrespecting all of us. So I come from Minneapolis. The greatest city, Winona, Minnesota, to come down and kick your ass. And that's why I'm here.
I'll tell you what, Smash. If you think this dump town is somewhere proud to be, then you've been hit in the head too many times with a steel chair. Like I was so rudely interrupted earlier, I got an old friend of mine named Sammy the Bulldog Cigar coming in tonight. Be our sixth man. And I know, hey, and I know you got Ruff Crossing, comes all the way from Sweetgrass, Montana. Well, Crossing, you've made a very long trip for nothing. And Livewire.
Hey, I don't care who you bring in. I'll take all of you on right now. Whoa, looks like I got some help too, huh? Let's see what you got.
that you brought that neutered dog, the Bulldog Sammy Savard, to come on out here tonight. I've been waiting for a long time to get in the ring here. With that dog, I'm going to put on a leash tonight. And I'm going to put him out of this misery. So you go tell that to Mr. Old Yeller. Because he's getting put to sleep tonight. Now you see here, Smash is absolutely right. You've been disrespecting these legends. We've been paving the way for guys like us.
He is the legend.
If it wasn't for Demolition Smash here, none of you punks, especially you three punks, would even be here. And who are you supposed to be?
Live wire. Where's the only legend?
Not that it matters.
Where's the only
I see you brought the old man out here so he can watch us kick your ass tonight. You see, Stardom, I brought on out one of the baddest, rough and tough, badass cowboys from out of Montana. I'm talking about Ruff Crossing, and he's got a score to settle with you here tonight. Devil Cake, big man. Anytime you're ready, big boy, I'll take one of those horns from off your helmet, shove it so far up your rear end, you'll be able to flush your teeth with it. So anytime you're ready, big man, you sure as hell don't intimidate me. Don't think you do whoever the hell you're supposed to be. So I'll tell you what, Stardom, 6-man war tonight. I don't care who it is. Bring the Bulldog Sammy Savard on out. I'm looking forward to this thing here. Tell me what we're going to do to him, Ruff.
Well, first things first, it's good to be here, Winona. Yeah. I'm liking it. The only thing I'm not liking is you stooges running your mouth, boring these people. So, I think it's only fair that later tonight, if it's okay with you, we do what you said for many, many years. And let's pound their stinking teeth in. Well, gentlemen, don't make threats that you're, you know, I can't back up.
And your Bulldog Sammy Savard,